Hello, we are going to know about Axis Finance Home Loan. First, let's know about the eligibility criteria. Salaried and self-employed person are eligible for a home loan from Axis Finance. Having monthly salary, if less than 1 lakh then interest rate will be 60% and if more than 1 lakh then interest will be 80%. Having minimum age 22 years. Having maximum age 60 years. Applicant CIBIL score should be minimum 700. Now let's know about the loan criteria. If person is eligible, he or she may get loan amount up to rupees 5 lakhs to 10 crores. Rate of interest will be 6.90% per annum. Tenure refers to the length of time until the loan is due. The minimum tenure you can get of 30 years for salaried person and 30 years for self-employed person. Processing fee will be up to 0.50%, minimum 10,000 rupees of the loan amount. Turnaround time is the amount of time it takes to complete a process. In this loan turn around time will be 10 days. Let's discuss some other important points. The probability of default, PD, is the probability of a borrower or debtor defaulting on loan repayments. In this loan PD will be telephonically. Maximum ticket size should be 50 lakh to 10 crore. It means the total amount a customer spent in one visit. Bounce track will be accepted with proper justification. Location coverage is Pan-India. Pan-India means that the company or organization has its offices and branches spread across India.